potato. Sweet potato. Tomorrow is day off. I'm going to do what I wanted to do. Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your comments. Look at this. The body of this Toyota Tacoma is very cool and I like it. And this time, I bought this clear body and some LED lights. After painting, I'd like to turn on some LED lights. So let's get started. Front and rear. All 4 LED lights are clear on the front and 2 are clear and 2 are red on the rear. Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro non-decoration body set. Now check what's inside. Body, manual, front grille, front bumper, rear bumper, headlights parts, and screws, and decals, and masking tape. Drill holes to attach parts. Oh, nice. Let's cut the body. The body cut has been completed. Next, wash it with a neutral detergent to remove oil stains, etc. Now I'm going to put some masking tape on it. No need to cut masking tape. Nice. It took more than 2 hours to apply the masking tape. I'll upload the continuation of this video in the next time. Subscribe! I think you'll get bored with videos of body construction, so I'd like to show you a video of this Toyota Tacoma actually running. Full throttle. One more. Oh. Full throttle. you soon. Remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. Two-S lipo. Okay. You can see videos of all these RC cars in my past videos, so please take a look.